Integrating Voiso with the Salesforce CRM is a multi-step process. This series of videos walks you through each of the steps to help you get up and running as fast as possible. Part 3 demonstrates how to set up a call center in Salesforce. To integrate Voiso with Salesforce Lightning, you must set up a call center by importing a call center definition file. Before you begin, check the Voiso documentation website for information about how to create a call center definition XML file, or contact the Voiso technical support team or the Voiso onboarding team. In Salesforce, open Setup. Use Quick Find to search for call centers. Click Call Centers in the left navigation. In the Setup Call Centers window, click Continue. In the All Call Centers window, click Import. In the Call Center Import window, click Choose File. Select the call center definition file that you created, then click Import. After the file is successfully imported, if you use the example file from the Voiso documentation website, you must update the container URL and Voiso cluster URL. Click Edit. Modify the container URL by replacing https://my-domain-c.container.force.com with your fully qualified container URL. Modify the Voiso cluster URL by replacing https://yourcc.voiso.com with your fully qualified cluster URL. Click Save. Your call center is now ready to add users who will use the integration, including administrators, supervisors, and agents. To add users, click Manage Call Center Users. Then click Add More Users. In the Search for New Users view, you can choose to specify search criteria, then click Find. From the search results, select the users to be added, then click Add to Call Center. Thanks for watching Part 3. In Part 4, you will learn how to update the content security policy in Salesforce.